In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Reply All the default option in Gmail. It's a simple yet effective tweak that can save you time if you frequently correspond with multiple people via email. Let's dive in and see how to set this up in just a few easy steps. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to Gmail. Begin by logging into your Gmail account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, take a moment to glance at the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You'll see an icon resembling a gear, and that's what we call the settings icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal the drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll find an option labeled See All Settings. Click on that, and it will take you to the full settings page. This page is where you can customize many aspects of your Gmail experience. But today we're focusing on our specific task, making Reply All the default. On the settings page, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Click on the one labeled General. Here, you'll find a variety of settings that allow you to tweak how Gmail operates for you. Scroll down a bit until you find the section titled Default Reply Behavior. You'll see two radio button options, one for Reply and another for Reply All. Now here's the important part. Click on Reply All to select it as your default setting. This ensures that whenever you're responding to an email, every recipient in the email thread will be included by default. It's a handy feature, especially in collaborative environments where everyone needs to be kept in the loop. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a button that says Save Changes. Click that, and voila! Your changes are now saved, and Reply All will be your new default reply option. And there you have it. Now, every time you hit reply in Gmail, you'll automatically include all recipients of the original email. It's a small adjustment, but it can streamline your communication efforts significantly, helping ensure everyone stays informed without the need for you to remember to select Reply All manually every single time. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Gmail and other everyday tech tools. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions for future videos in the comments below. Have a great day and happy emailing.